Hey guys, welcome back to Mom and Twin Boys channel. Now today I'll be cooking some curry chicken wings along with some mashed potato and some lettuce and tomato on the side. So here I have some chicken wings. I'm going to only take out a few pieces and look after. First, I'm going to make sure that I cut them, and I'm going to show you that in the next clip. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Voila! So here I cut them up off camera, and you see those little wings. I leave them in there because the elderly person I'm taking care of, she loved those parts of the chicken wing. Some people in Jamaica will throw them away, but this lady loved those little parts, so that's why I have them here. Okay, so here I rinse it off camera, so I add fresh water to this to do my final washing, and I cut them up off camera as well. Now I'm adding my salt. I don't know, this is just something when I add salt to it and wash it off, it just give a different little color, like it look a little white. I don't know, that's just me. And here I'm adding my lime juice. And then after adding my lime juice, I'll add my white vinegar right there. Add that. Then I leave this to sit for a while. When I leave this to sit, then I'll give it a couple washes and then start the seasoning. So that's how I do that. For seasoning, I'll be adding carrots, my onion, ginger, garlic, and a green bell pepper. Voila! So I did all of this off camera, and I'm just showing you how and a little hot pepper, yes, how I get that done. Okay, so now after washing off my meat a couple times, now I'm going to add my seasonings. Here I have black pepper, and I'm adding just a little of that because some of these seasoning I realized they already have salt, so I try not to overdo it. And the person that I'm looking after, she's diabetic. Onion powder, so I try to be careful with the too much seasoning. Let it have taste, yes, but not too much. Garlic powder, and I'm adding that. Next, I'll add my complete seasoning. And after adding my complete seasoning, I'll add my curry powder. So I'll add just a little bit of that. Then add a little just to give the meat color. Then I'll add it to my pot in the oil. Yes. Then I'll get to stirring. Yes, add all my onions, sweet pepper, all of that, my bell pepper, all of that, carrots, garlic, ginger, add all of that. Then I'm going to get a spoon and mix everything up together. Yeah, because I was holding my camera with my hand, I finished doing this off camera. So I'll show you after I'm finished mixing how it looks. Yes. This is how it looks after, so I'll cover this up, put it in the fridge to marinate for a couple hours. So here I have my sides, which is my lettuce, tomato. I'll add a little onion, and voila, this is how it looks. And also I am going to add a little lime juice. Guys, I think you should try this. When you add that lime juice to this, it give it a nice taste. It give it a different flavor, and I love it. And since I've come here to the Bahamas, I've tried this and I love it. So you should try. Okay, so here I have my pot with a little oil that is already heated, and now I'm going to add my curry powder to this. After adding my curry powder, I will mix and let this burn until I feel that it's fully burnt. So just watch me do that until I move on. So here I am stirring and stirring and stirring. Yes. After stirring, I will add my chicken wings one by one to this. Then I'll let each side fry, you know, to my desire, and keep turning until I get that curry all over my meat, because I love a good curry. I love when the meat has curry. Here I am adding one by one, frying it out. Yeah, just watch me do this until I move on to my next clip. Hope you guys are enjoying this, and as I said all the time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. Now I am going to turn each meat onto the other side and let that fry out. So that's what I'm doing right here. If you are reached this far in the video, let me know what you're cooking this Wednesday evening. Okay, now I am I'm going to add water to this, and then I'll add all of these ingredients to my pot and let it cook down. And when it's cooked down, then I'll just taste my pot, make sure everything tastes alright. If I need to add seasoning, I add seasoning, which I didn't need to, so I just cook it down to my desire and turn it off until I was ready to share. So this is my Irish. I don't need a lot because I'm only cooking for 2 persons, me and the lady that I'm taking care of. So I'm washing these off, and when I wash these off camera, what I'm going to do is get them peeled and washed off again, and then you'll see me in the next clip. Yes. Okay, so they are peeled, washed off, and here is my pot. I'm going to, this pot I already add salt to it and turn on my fire. So I'm going to add this to my pot, let it boil for a while, then I'll show you the next step when it's finished boil. After adding my Irish to my pot, this I'm going to check on my curry chicken wings, and tell me guys, tell me say this look good. This look good. It look nice and rich. Yes, I love how this look. Well cooked down, well simmer down. I'm going to let it cook down a little bit more, and that's it. I love it. Look good. Okay, so I am checking the last time. Well cooked down, rich, thick, has body, and I'm loving that. So I'm turning this off because this finished. Now I am going to do my check, and yes, you can see my fork is sliding through these potatoes. So now I am going to turn this off and get on to the next clip. Turn it off. Now I'm going to drain off this water. After draining off this water, I'll add it to my mixer so I can get it mashed smooth and looking creamy. So here it's drain it off. It's already drained. I add it to my mixer. I'll be adding Kerrygold butter to this because it's already add a little salt also in there. And now I'm going to add my cardinal cream. So this is what going to give it that creamy texture. No lump, no nothing. It just look nice and creamy. Yeah. Then I'll add it, hook it up, then get it mashed and looking creamy, and you'll see what I'm talking about because this is going to come out really creamy. I need one of these for myself. It's a very good mixer. After doing this, on the next clip I'll show you my plating and how it's looking. And here it's looking nice plating with a little apple juice with ginger. And that's the end of the video guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.